A Busy Day for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Very colorful book indeed. Can you imagine just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird, hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peek, peek, peek. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggler snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, 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 cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your feathers. Now sit in your nest and cuddle together. What a busy bird you've been! The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight, tweet, two, ooh, ooh.
Dali na.